Hey everyone, it's Eikos here from Flow. Welcome back to the channel. Oh, and I almost forget, she is Yang Shangling from Futtering Waves. So guys, today we will checking out something little bit different as usual. So not security camera, not gym stuff, a band strap from Bandletic. So I've been wearing these with my Apple Watch Ultra 3 over the last few days, at home, during workouts, and just out and about. So today I'll show you all the three models, talk about what I like, compare them with Apple's original bands, and at the end I'll let you know which one has my personal favorite. As always on this channel, this isn't about reading specs from a website, it's about sharing my real experience after using the product. So after the intro, let's get unboxing them. No, there is nothing to unbox, it's just a band in a box. After the intro, let's get into it. Let's go! Alright, let's begin with the Rock Outdoor Band. Straight away this one stands out because of its unique cross-strap design. It definitely has that rugged, outdoor-inspired look without going over the top. The material feels really solid. It's made from woven nylon, so it's soft on the wrist but still feels extremely durable. I also like how breathable it is because after wearing it through the day, it never felt uncomfortable. The hook and loop fastening is really secure, and adjusting it only takes a few seconds. Overall, this feels like a strap that's built for everyday use, but could easily handling hiking, traveling, or any outdoor activity without worrying about it wearing out. Next up is the Puck Outdoor Band, which I already can tell you guys honestly, that's my favorite. I've been wearing this one the most, especially at the gym and around the house. I just think it has the perfect balance between comfort and durability. It's lightweight, it sits really nice on the wrist. And because of the nylon material, it doesn't trap sweat the same way some silicone straps can. And again, you've got this distinctive cross-strap design that makes it look different from most Apple Watch bands on the market. Even after trainings, the straps still feel comfortable, and because it's fully adjustable, getting the perfect fit is really easy. Honestly, once I start to use this one, it became the strap I automatically reached every morning. And the third product is probably the most rugged strap from the three, the Atlas Outdoor Case Band. This isn't just a strap, it actually includes a protective case around your Apple Watch Ultra. If you're someone who's hiking, climbing, cycling, working outdoors, or you're simply worried about knocking your watch against things, this gives you that extra level of protection. The raised edges help protect the display, while the case itself is really solid and shock resistant. Even with the extra protection, it still feels surprisingly comfortable thanks to the nylon strap. Personally, I probably wouldn't wear this every single day because I like showing off the design of the Apple Watch Ultra, but for outdoor adventures or tougher environments, I can definitely see why people will choose this over a standard band. And now the obvious question, how do these compare to Apple's own straps? Apple's Trail Loop, Alpine Loop and Ocean Band are all excellent quality, there's no doubt about that, but they're also quite expensive. What surprised me with the Bandletic strap is how close they feel in terms of overall quality. The stitching is excellent, the material feels premium, and nothing feels cheap or poorly made. Comfort-wise, I'd happy wear these all day, and I genuinely have been. If you want something that looks different from Apple's own bands, offers great durability, and doesn't cost as much, I honestly think these are a great alternatives. Alright guys, let's wrap this up. So after wearing these straps over a few weeks, I can genuinely say I'm really impressed, mostly with this one. The Rock Outdoor Band is perfect if you like that rugged outdoor style. The Atlas Outdoor Case Band is ideal if protection is your number one priority. But for me, the Puck Outdoor Band is the totally winner. It's comfortable, lightweight, looks fantastic on the Apple Watch Ultra 3, and it's one of I've been using at the gym, around the house, and pretty much everywhere else. I honestly didn't expect to like these as much as I do, but they've become some of my favorite third-party Apple Watch Ultra straps. Overall, if you're looking for a rugged, well-built alternative to Apple's own buns without spending Apple prices, I definitely think these are worth checking out. A huge thanks to Bandletic to sending me this product over and sponsoring today's video. I really appreciate the opportunity to test them, and it's been great getting some hands-on time with all three models. If you would like to check them out for yourself, you will find all the links down in the description below. And guys, I know I can talk about straps and stuff like that for hours, like long videos, but that's definitely worth to check it out. 100% guys. I absolutely recommended these. The price is really good, the material is really good. Everything is just wow. It's fit, it's guys, pro cons, pro everything, no cons. Just go check the website. Absolutely look. It's just wow. Like you see the video. Very good product, absolutely. Bandletic, you made it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you want, subscribe, blah 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 blah. It was Yang from Wuthering Waves. It was Akos from UK. It was a strap from Bandletic. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!